Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Seekh Kabab in an air fryer. Start by gathering your ingredients, like 1 pound of ground meat, a finely chopped onion, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Combine these with your favorite spices, such as 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Now, carefully shape the mixture around your skewers, forming those classic cylindrical Seekh Kababs. Make sure they're uniform for even cooking. Next, let's get your air fryer ready. Preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes. This ensures a consistent cooking temperature. Lightly grease the air fryer basket to prevent any sticking, which makes for easier cleanup. Carefully place your prepared Seekh Kababs in a single layer within the basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. This allows for proper air circulation and even cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Place the basket back into the air fryer and cook the Seekh Kababs for an initial 8 to 10 minutes. After this time, carefully open the air fryer. Using tongs, gently flip each kabab to ensure even browning on all sides. Return the basket to the air fryer and continue cooking for another 6 to 8 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they're beautifully golden brown and cooked perfectly through. Once cooked, carefully remove your delicious Seekh Kababs from the air fryer. Let them rest for just a few minutes. This helps retain their juices. Garnish with some fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice for that extra zing. Serve them hot with your favorite accompaniments, like a refreshing mint chutney, cool raita, or a crisp salad. Remember, avoid overcooking to keep them wonderfully juicy and tender. Enjoy your homemade Seekh Kababs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.